Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm in front of the Hanover Preston Hollow today. The Hanover Preston Hollow. So this is in Dallas, Texas, obviously. And hey, what this is a pretty amazing, all new, just recently completed apartment. They don't even have all of the amenities quite done yet. There's still just a tad left to do. That's how new it is. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna walk through it just like we normally do. We're gonna take, I don't know, probably about 12 videos or so. We're gonna show off the pool, all the beautiful amenities, the fitness center, and then we're gonna take a deep dive into their models that they have available. I think you're gonna love seeing the Hanover Preston Hollow here. It's a very special property. They have a lot of these in the Houston area, and we're active there too. But they're just kind of starting more in Dallas. There's a sister property as well that we work with. It's Hanover Turtle Creek, and we've got that they're filmed on video too. So it's got a similar feel to that. But anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna step inside, take those videos, and put them all on this playlist. Just watch the playlist. They're short videos. You'll be able to see everything, or you can skip around, of course, on the playlist as well. If you have any questions at any time, of course, send me a text. You can send the text to my personal number below. You can also request a tour. They will give a virtual tour. So a virtual tour is an easy way to see the Hanover Preston Hollow, and I recommend doing that. So I'll set that up for you free. Doesn't matter what time of day or night, just send the text. I'll take care of that for you as part of our free service. Okay, now the next video, we're gonna talk a little bit about the area. So watch that, because I think you'll like it. I'm a Dallas native, so you're gonna hear some good information with that next video.